Hey everybody, welcome back to Ugly Dog Lures. So this afternoon I'm going to be unboxing my challenge from New Hope. And let's unbox it and see what's in this bad boy. He thinks an old man can't catch no fish. I'm fishing to show him something. If I don't cut my fingers off first. So let's see what we got in this here box. Well, looks like we have us a big jerk bait. I'm going to slay some walleye with that up there at the Ute Lake next weekend, buddy. That is freaking awesome. Love it. Great job, Ron, by the way. Let's see what else he's got for us. In here, Ron packs his lures very, very well. Ooh, nice little topwater. Look at that, folks. Love it. Got them purple eyes. One time my eyes are purple when Melissa punches me. Ew, what do we got here? Yeah, now. They take me 3 days to get into this one. I think we got that warmouth. Yes. Look at this, folks. Look at that. That's in an S crank. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I don't know what's in here. I'll have to check that out. That may be for Cody, I don't know. I'm about half afraid to open this one because it says use toilet paper on it. But I know what it is. So. Looky there, even got corn eyes. New Hope Fishing Lures, folks. If you're not subscribed to him, you're crazy. He's a great painter and a great friend. And just an all-around great human being. And that was in an S-crank too. Smallmouth's going to eat that. Smallmouth's going to eat that. So, what's in this dude? This may be Cody's, I don't know for sure. But we're going to open it and see. Nope. It's prop bait. Oh, good Lord. A hand-carved prop bait, too. My, 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 my. Am I keeping y'all in suspense because I'm trying to get the rubber off of it?
Mm-hmm.
It's a new design by Ron. Let me move that box over. That is freaking awesome. Look at the eyes on that thing.
Wow.
What an awesome paint job he put on that. Oh yeah, baby. Challenge accepted, Mr. New Hope boy. So everybody, want you to have a very blessed weekend. And me and my beautiful wife will catch you later.